Telegrafia presents the OCP16 Operator's control panel, a multifunctional device tailored to suit your control center. The OCP16 features a full-color 7-inch touchscreen for easy and intuitive operation. Thanks to the advanced warning, notification, and monitoring and process automation functions, you make the right decisions quickly, even in critical situations. The warning application allows you to quickly and efficiently activate and control warning devices. The notification application enables you to contact the persons concerned immediately. The SCADA application provides monitoring and automation of system devices. The FM radio and the recording function are innovations that allow you to create recordings directly with the control panel. Recordings can be played from the OCP16's internal memory, a USB flash drive, audio player, or broadcast live real-time voice using a microphone. A user-friendly scheduler helps you create a report schedule and then automatically starts the selected action. The OCP16 Operator's control panel is available in 3 versions, with a microphone, receiver, or an additional extended panel. Save time, money, and space, and create a better and simple future for your control center. Telegrafia. We are the solution.